English-Italian travel questions, is there?
C'è.
May I?
Posso.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome aboard. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Strap in, smile, and get ready to use Italian in real-life moments, from coffee counters to train stations. We'll laugh, repeat, and nail the phrases you need. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask politely, find places, and buy things, like a pro traveler. Let's spell out your toolkit now. Is there?
C'è.
May I?
Posso.
I need.
Avere bisogno di.
And in use.
Ho bisogno di.
Closing parenthesis. Where is?
Dov'è?
What is?
Che cos'è?
How much is?
Quanto costa?
I would like.
Vorrei.
Can you? Informal.
Puoi.
Can you? Formal.
Può.
Cafe mini dialogues. You're hungry, curious, and slightly caffeinated, perfect. Listen and repeat. You, I would like, a cappuccino, please.
Vorrei.
Un cappuccino, per favor. You, how much is? The croissant?
Quanto costa?
Il cornetto? You, what is, that pastry?
Che cos'è?
Che la pasta? You, is there, almond milk?
C'è.
Il latte di mandorla? Find it fast. Lost and brave? Ask clearly and get there faster. Excuse me, where is? The station?
Dov'è?
La stazione? Is there a bathroom nearby?
C'è.
Un bagno qui vicino? What is this sign?
Che cos'è?
Questo cartello? Pro tip. If you need plural, switch to
Ci sono.
for or there. Permission and help. Be kind, be clear, and you'll get gold star service. May I sit here?
Posso.
Sedermi qui? Can you, informal, open the window?
Puoi.
Aprir la finestra? Can you, formal, show me the way?
Può.
Mostrare la strada? Bonus kindness. Add please.
Per favore.
Your future self thanks you. Need it now. When it's essential, say it like you mean it, calm and clear. I need water.
Ho bisogno di.
Aqua, base form.
Avere bisogno di.
I need help.
Ho bisogno di.
Aiuto. I need time.
Ho bisogno di.
Tempo. Combine politely. I would like some help, please.
Vorrei.
Un po' di aiuto, per favor. Speed quiz. Quick fire. Say it before I reveal the answer. You've got this. Q. How much is? A.
Quanto costa?
Q. Where is? A.
Dov'è?
Q. Is there? A.
C'è.
Q. May I? A.
Posso.
Q. I would like. A.
Vorrei.
Q. Can you? Informal. A.
Puoi.
Q. Can you? Formal. A.
Può.
Q. I need. A.
Avere bisogno di.
In use.
Ho bisogno di.
Closing parenthesis. Culture tip. Tiny tweaks equals big wins in Italy. Use.
Puoi.
With friends, switch to.
Può.
With staff, elders, or formal settings. At a doorway, Italians often say.
Permesso?
When entering, friendly and polite. For softer requests, prefer.
Vorrei.
Over a blunt.
Voglio.
Smiles guaranteed. Final challenge. Time to flex your new phrases in one playful scene. At a museum desk you say, may I enter?
Posso.
Entrare? You ask, is there a guide in English?
C'è.
Una guida in inglese? You whisper, I need a map.
Ho bisogno di.
Una mappa. You check price. How much is the ticket?
Quanto costa?
Il biglietto? You confirm location. Where is the restroom?
Dov'è?
Il Bono? Curious. What is this exhibit?
Che cos'è?
Questa mostra? Polite order. I would like water, please.
Vorrei.
Dell'acqua, per favor. Ask for help, informal, can you take a photo?
Puoi.
Fare una foto? Ask for help, formal, can you stamp this?
Può.
Timbrare questo? Nailed it. Thanks and next steps. Brevissimo. Keep your phrases fresh and have fun using them. Thanks for listening. Practice these daily. Is there? May I? I need. Where is? What is? How much is? I would like. Can you? Informal, formal. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, exercises, and downloads at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.